In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can get OpenClaw to speak in your own voice within WhatsApp. And then you can literally use those voices for whatever you need. So I've actually asked OpenClaw to tell me how to do this. And now that he's told me how to do this, I'm literally going to do it right now. So here I am where I've been asked to go within 11 Labs. Now all I need to do is click on Create a Voice. And then all right, I guess I'm going to do you can do the instant one or the professional one. So I guess I'm going to do the instant one because I only want to do, the cheapest plan. I don't want to waste my money. And anyway, this one needs 10 seconds of audio, and this one needs freaking 30 minutes of clean audio. And I'm not really interested in having a 30-minute sound of myself. So let's do this. I'm going to do subscribe. So just a quick recap. I just subscribed. I click on this. I click on voice, text to speech. Sorry, my bad. You click on voices here, and then you click on the plus button here. That will let you choose the option. Now you can see it's available because I have subscribed. Instant voice, and now I need to just record audio, and 10 seconds of audio are required. Let's enable the microphone and then allow while visiting the site and start. Let's go. Hello everyone. 3, 2, 1. We're doing it. Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Daniel, and I want to make sure that my voice is perfectly listened to and can be heard clearly. And I hope it's really heard. I mean, I hope everything is going to be clear and understood so that when it clones my voice, it's literally exactly how I speak and it knows exactly how I talk. That's it. Once you've got your recording, you click next. And that's it. It will start creating your voice. And then once you have your voice ID, you can provide it to OpenClaw, and then it can literally create the actual voice notes with your voice. Once you've finished, you can go to My Voice. And here's my voice. And now I can get the information for it and start using it. Here's the voice ID. Here, I'm going to give it to Claw right now. So I'm now going to give my voice ID to OpenClaw directly inside the chat. Fantastic. So it has my voice ID now. From now on, when you want me to respond with your voice, just say something like, say this out loud, say this as voice. All right, let's test it. Let's try it. Let's see if this works, guys. Hopefully it will say, hey, everyone, welcome to Solations. Let's see if this actually works. Do you think it's going to work? I don't know. Let's see if it works, guys. Let's see if OpenClaw can literally clone my voice for me at will. Whenever I want, I can send a WhatsApp message to OpenClaw and say, listen, say this for me. Oh my gosh, he created a file. Are you ready, guys? This is the most exciting thing ever. Hey, where's the MP3? Oh, it's in this folder. You know what? I'll just tell it to open it. Can you open that file for me? Because I don't want to open it. He can access my computer, so he can open that file for me. I don't have to go searching for it. Let's see if this works. It opened it. Are you ready? Well, my computer's a bit slow.
Hey everyone, welcome to Solations.
All right.
Hey everyone,
listen,
welcome.
But that wasn't my voice. Hey, that wasn't my voice. That's a woman. Maybe you didn't use 11 Labs. So I'm just telling him off because he's literally giving me some woman speaking. That's not my voice. That's offensive. All right. So he's saying that I didn't actually set up 11 Labs. So I have to set it up. The only way is to add it as a skill. So to add a skill, you click on skills at the top, and then you literally click on this because I don't know why it's hiding. But then let's type 11 Labs. Here we go. And then you put your API key in here. So you're going to have to go get that from 11 Labs. I'm going to do that right now. So I'm guessing over here to get your API key in 11 Labs, you go to developers. And then once you're on this page, you just click on create an API key at the bottom. And then we're going to copy that into the skill over there. And while you're creating it, make sure you leave it, you let it able to do everything that you want to be able to do. Let's just do access to everything, because really it's all mine. Okay, let's just create a key. All right, I just pasted it in here and click save key. And that's it. So now I've really added my voice. Now let's go back to the chat and say I've added 11 labs. Now say the same thing with my voice. Are you ready, guys? Hopefully this time he will actually make it, and hopefully he will open it. He's opened it by himself this time. See, he learned from his mistake last time that he didn't open the file. He learned because he knows how I like things done. You ready? It's about to open.
Hey everyone, welcome to Solations.
Hey, that's garbage again. He's messed up once again. I think I know the issue. I think I have to click on install over here first. I think that's my problem. That's why it didn't work. All right, he's saying he's having problems. So basically, he's trying to do it through like round the back ways, but I'm just going to give him this. This is like the code that comes up when you click on developers. I'm just going to give him this and then send it. I'm literally going to give this to him. And this over here will help him then use the correct things. See, he knows he's going to run that for me and then do it. And then from now on, he'll know how to do it. Hopefully, he's going to actually create the correct API call. And that way, from now on, it's going to be working. So it wasn't so simple. It was a bit of a bumpy road. But in the end, we got there. We're getting AI OpenClaw to know how to speak our voice, and from now on it's going to be very simple. It's a matter of saying say this, say that, and then he will say it for me. I think it was worth the bumpy road. What do you think? All right, he tried one more time. Let's hear this. Hey everyone, welcome to Solations. That's exactly my voice. Wow, unbelievable. Here, listen to that again. Hey everyone, welcome to Solations. 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 That sounds pretty damn good. So he literally guided me to have the solution. Now I can, whenever I want, I can literally send a WhatsApp message to him, which is basically WhatsApping myself, and then he will literally create a voice response to me. Watch this. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to say, let me just use, because I've already installed Whisper, so he can hear me. So let's say, have my voice tell a story, which is like a 2-line story about a boy who jumped up to the sky and then grew wings. So I just sent a voice note just now, and now it should arrive over here. I literally sent a voice message to him. Remember, this is my WhatsApp. I sent a voice message, and now he's going to receive it, transcribe it, and then he's going to come back with a voice message of what I asked him to have me say. So that's basically why this is just unbelievable. I just think this is insane, because now I have a voice agent on WhatsApp that can make my voice, can imitate my voice. Let's see if it works. He literally created the file. Listen to this, guys. Once there was a boy who jumped so high he touched the clouds, and in that moment wings sprouted from his back, because sometimes you have to leap before you're ready to fly. Fantastic. So basically, he literally made a story for me. Now let me see if it came through on my phone. He literally wrote the story out for me, but I wanted him to actually, I'm going to say, listen. Hey, listen, it came through, but I want you to provide a voice sound back to WhatsApp. So it comes back to my phone, so then I can share it as well. Can you send that to WhatsApp, the voice message? I literally want him to, that's a message I just sent him, but I want him to send me the message on WhatsApp so I can then hear it on my phone. Here, got it. Let me send that voice message back to you on WhatsApp. So he's probably sending that to me right now. Here it is. Let me test it. Okay, he said done. He's like texting me. This audio is not available because there's something wrong with the audio file. I'm going to tell him that and hopefully it will fix it. But you get the idea. This is unbelievable. So if you want to install this and have this kind of easy user interface, then you need to get your hands on ClawLauncher. It's an app that costs $10, but it will let you run OpenClaw without the terminal for people who just don't want to get into that craziness of terminals and programming. Don't miss out. Get it right now. Unbelievable.